SpaceX's Starship, an epic journey to the launch site. In the heart of South Texas, a marvel of modern engineering awakens. SpaceX's Starship stands tall, ready to redefine space exploration. As the sun dips, the colossal Starship begins its monumental journey. The sight is breathtaking, power, promise, potential, all on the move. Rumbling in the twilight, the rocket trundles to its launch site. An awe-inspiring spectacle, hinting at the infinite adventures that lie beyond our atmosphere. With every roll, every turn, the anticipation grows. The Starship pushes forward, a testament to human ingenuity and our unquenchable thirst for exploration. By nightfall, Starship rests at the launch site. Towering against the star-studded canvas, it waits for the countdown, the ignition, the ascent. As dawn breaks, the Starship stands poised for the ultimate journey. A symbol of our limitless potential, ready to conquer the final frontier. SpaceX's Starship, an epic journey to the launch site, a testament to our ceaseless pursuit of the universe's mysteries. Stay tuned for the liftoff.